Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to record a screen with AMD Radeon graphics card on Windows 11. To record your screen with an AMD Radeon graphics card on Windows 11, you can use the AMD Radeon software. Here is the steps to get started. Open the AMD Radeon software. In the AMD Radeon software, click on the Record and Steam tab and enable Record Desktop. After that, click on Home. You can choose the video quality, resolution and other settings according to your preference. However, click on the record button to start recording your screen, or you can press CTRL+SHIFT+E to start recording. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut ALT+Z. Now it's recording the screen. To stop recording, you can use ALT+Z keyboard shortcut and click on the Stop Recording button. The recorded video will be saved in the default location, which you can change in the settings. Here is our output file. Please note that some older AMD Radeon graphics card may not support recording with the AMD Radeon software. In that case, you can try third-party screen recording software, or you can use Windows default recording tool. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.